Capstone, Assignment 2, Alaskan Glaciers. What is the threat? Temperature has increased over the last 50 years in Alaska at double the rate of the global average temperature increase. This leads to the glaciers in Alaska melting, which adds to the threat of the rising sea level causing flooding around coastal areas. The warmth also leads to melting permafrost. Why is that place/regional vulnerable? Higher latitude areas have large amounts of ice that reflect radiation from the sun back out away from the planet. As the ice melts, less radiation gets reflected, thus causing a greenhouse effect, which leads to more warming. What are the forecasts in terms of environmental change? Because of the greenhouse effect, things are expected to only go from bad to worse for the glaciers. Research done by University of Alaska Fairbanks Geophysical Institute predicts Alaska's glaciers to lose 30 to 60% of their volume and add up to an inch to global sea level rise by the year 2100. What are the forecasted impacts on communities? The melting of permafrost ice causes soil above the permafrost to sink. This can damage buildings, roads, and homes. The temperature increase also causes spring to come a bit earlier than normal, changing animal habitats, which negatively influences fishing and hunting. What are the solutions? The melting glaciers is one of the biggest and hardest to ignore pieces of evidence for climate change. The main solutions are the big ones worldwide, which are reducing use of fossil fuels, limiting waste, and recycling more.